Hello everyone, this is my review of the Elixir 6 quart stainless steel multi-cooker, and here's how it's working out for me. First, it looks sleek and durable. The stainless steel exterior feels premium and clean, and the inner pot is dishwasher safe and easy to keep clean. It's a versatile appliance that handles pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sauteing, yogurt making, baking cakes, porridge, and multigrain rice, you name it. It does it. It's a complete kitchen powerhouse disguised in one appliance. Safety is a big selling point. It has a locking lid, an automatic pressure release valve, and overheat protection, making me feel safer than with a traditional gas pressure cooker. Setup is straightforward. Press the function button, adjust the time if needed, and you're good to go. Minimal learning curve, which is excellent. Overall, if you want a robust, safe, and multifunctional cooker without spending a fortune or wrestling with a steep learning curve, this is a dependable choice. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.